Hello everyone, Mrs. Talkington here. This week in my class we're reading the story Dear Zoo. So today I'm going to show you how to draw an elephant at the zoo. Are you ready to make a start? We're going to start with an oval in the middle. Now we're not going to do the whole oval because we're going to leave a space for his trunk. So we'll start at the top, we'll go around, stop there, do the other half of the oval and stop, because his trunk's going to come down the front. So his trunk is his long nose, it's going to come down in a tube shape. So we're going to start up there and then do another one coming around that way. You see how I did a bend there because his trunk's going to go back up again. Let's join that together. You see that? Looks like a trumpet, doesn't it? And we're going to draw a smaller oval on the end to draw it out, to join it up. Right, we're going to draw two eyes, so two small ovals the other way up, so one there with a small circle at the bottom and another one there with a small circle at the bottom. There he is. Okay, and then we're going to do his mouth, so down and up, just so you can see his mouth opening. Right, we'll do his ears later when we know where his body is. So we're going to draw his big tummy going underneath his trunk. So big circle shape. Take it round and back up. Now we know where his ears are going to go. So let's start his ears above his eye. Go out in a big curve. Go in a little bit and then out a bit. And back up into that little space there. And same on the other side. So we're going to start above his eye, we're going to go up, out, in a bit closer to his face, out again, round, and then join it up with where his tummy starts. Okay, now we're ready for his feet. Let's draw a line down the middle, so we know where they meet in the middle, and then we know how far away we're going to draw them. So we're going to start with a curved line, straight to start off with, and then it's going to curve out and round to join up, and exactly the same on the other side. So now you can see, because you've drawn the line in the middle, you can see how far away you need the other one to be. So just go down and out and join it up. There we are. Now he's got big bridge shapes. They're like little bridges, they're like little rainbows. So draw small rainbows for his toes. There we are. There he is. Right, we can go back up to the top now. He's got a tiny little tail. Sticks out the side. Now, oh, we haven't put his nostrils where he's going to spurt his water out. So two little ovals at the end of his trunk. Okay. Now, to show that he's at the zoo, we're going to draw the sign over the top. So we're going to draw a rectangle above his head. So let's draw one straight line, or let's just stick out a bit further than his ear. Go along. That's it. And then another one parallel with it. Means the same distance apart. Okay, that's where it's going to say zoo. Now it's made out of wood, so we're going to do a bit of a ziggy-zaggy end. And the same the other side. Just shake your pen a bit. Looks like it's a bit of old wood. Okay, now we're going to write the word zoo. So let's think. Now, because it's got three letters in, I'm actually going to do the O in the middle first, and then I'm going to go back and do the other sides. So let's do the O. Another circle inside. And then I can know where the Z goes. So let's go down. I'm doing it in 3D writing. You might want to do it in pencil before you do it in pen, and then go over it if you want. And then another O this side. There we go. Now we've got the word zoo in the middle. Now the signpost is hanging on big poles, so we're going to do a small oval over here. I'm going to join it going down And then we're going to carry that line. Do you remember when something's behind, lift our pen up and then carry it all the way down in a straight line. And then the same here, lift your pen up. Oh, it goes behind his ear. Oh, behind his tail. There we go. And the same the other side. So we're going to do the oval. And we're going to do the post going down. So lift your pen up. Keep your hand flat on the paper so you can just pull it along. Straight line. This time it's missing his ear. Stop. Back up here. Down. Pull it all the way down. So. Now, because the sign's made of wood, we need to make it look like it's wooden. So we're going to give a little swirl on that one. And a swirl on the top of that one. And we're going to do those wood lines. So if you draw a shaky line down and then do a little lump. Another one going out. And just do some odd lines. There we are. So this one's made of wood. We could do a little knot in there. Maybe we'll go around that bump. There we are. And the same on the other side. Now don't put the knots in the same place. Maybe do them further down. So do some straight lines at the top. And then do the bumps lower down. There. A couple up here. Join it together. And then with the piece of wood going across for Zoo, we'll do the same. So where these jiggy bits go in, we're going to give it a little shaky line. And the same here. That's it. And then we're going to do some of these lines going that way. There we go. There he is, our little elephant at the zoo. Okay, we're ready to colour him in now. Now I'll colour it in and I'll speed it up so you can watch and then you can have a go yourself afterwards. have a good time. See you soon. Bye bye for now.